Dear students of class 6, yesterday we were discussing English grammar, chapter number 3, positive and negative sentences. Chapter number 3, positive and negative sentences, question number C. Question number C is change the words in colors. Change the words in colors. Letters with negative words from the box. One is done for you. In the box are negative words. These words we have to supply for the color words. I have not written color words. I have written those words in bold letters. First number, they were 4. One of them was blind. The color word is one. Its opposite will be none. So at the place of one we shall write none. Second number, many pupils. The color word is many. Many pupils were awarded on the annual day. Opposite of many pupils will be no pupils. So we shall write no. At the place of many we shall write no pupils. C number, we always go to Simla during holidays. The opposite of always will be never. At the place of always we shall write never. D number, we have some money. We have some money. Opposite of some money will be no money. So at the place of some we shall write no. E number, there is somebody at the roof. The opposite negative of somebody will be nobody. E number, at the place of somebody we shall write nobody. F number, there is something wrong with the computer. Negative of something will be nothing. At the place of something we shall write nothing. G number, there were 2 men in the park. One of them was a beggar. Here for one negative word we will write none of them. At the place of one we shall write none. H number, I can meet someone on this lonely road. Negative of someone will be no one. I can meet no one on this lonely road. At the place of someone negative we shall write no one. Now question number D. Question number D. The facts in the following sentences look funny. Rewrite a positive sentence followed by a negative sentence to make them sensible. One is done for you. There are funny facts. We have to write the answers in 2 sentences. First we shall write a positive sentence and then we shall write a negative sentence. One is done. Plants, animals and rocks need water to live. The answer is plants and animals need water to live. First positive sentence, Then negative sentence, rocks do not need water. The same way we shall write all the answers. One sentence we shall write positive and another sentence we shall write negative. Second question, it snows. It snows in Srinagar, Delhi and Simla. The answer will be, first sentence will be, it snows in Srinagar and Simla. Positive sentence will be, it snows in Srinagar and Simla. And second sentence will be, it does not snow. It does not snow in Delhi. Two sentences we have to write, one sentence positive, second sentence negative. So first sentence we have written positive, it snows in Srinagar and Simla, and second sentence negative, it does not snow in Delhi. This is the answer. Third number, hen, ducks and deer lay eggs. The answer, first sentence will be, hen and ducks lay eggs. Hen and ducks lay eggs. Second sentence will be, deer does not lay eggs. A deer does not lay eggs. Fourth number, China, England and India are the most populated countries. We know that China and India are populated countries, but London is not populated country, its capital. Then answer will be, first sentence will be, China and India are the most populated countries. And second will be, London is not the most populated country. 5 number, mangoes can be yellow, green or blue. The answer, first sentence will be, mangoes can be yellow or green. And second sentence will be, mangoes cannot be, in short we can say can't, mangoes can't be blue. 6 number, we buy bread, biscuits and fruits from a baker. For answer, first sentence will be, we buy bread and biscuits. We buy bread and biscuits from a baker. And second sentence will be, we do not buy. We do not buy fruits from a baker. 7 number, a butcher sells mutton, chicken and potatoes. For answer, first sentence will be, a butcher sells mutton and chicken. And negative sentence will be, a butcher does not sell. A butcher does not sell potatoes. 8 number, ornaments are made of gold, rubber and silver. For answer, first sentence will be, ornaments are made of gold and silver. And second sentence, negative sentence will be, ornaments are not made of rubber. Now question number E. Change the positive sentence into negative and negative sentence into positive sentence. One is done for you. Shreya's mother is a housewife. She is not a teacher. Shreya's mother is a housewife. This is positive. So negative will be, Shreya's mother is not a housewife. She is not a teacher. This is negative. Positive will be, she is a teacher. Same way we have to make other sentences. Everyone likes Sylvia's cat. Its answer will be, no one. No one likes Sylvia's cat. It does not like fish. It does not like fish. It is negative. Its positive will be it likes fish. And third part is it likes milk. Its negative will be it does not like milk. Third number, Shreya is 21 years old. Shreya is 21 years old. Its answer will be Shreya is not 21 years old. She is not 12 years.